Hi, everybody. My name is Linda Costello, and I'll be teaching this Accounting 101 class online this semester for Sacramento City College. I'm looking forward to the semester, and I hope you are as well. I thought you might want to take a look at the home page for Canvas for this class. If you page down a little bit, there's some important information that you might want to download and print. First, you can access the class syllabus by clicking here. Also, very, very important is the class schedule. It's multiple pages and it's very detailed. You don't want to miss a deadline. Also, it includes some really great study tips. And you can click here for instructions to register for Connect and pair Connect with your Canvas class. Most of your homework and exams and quizzes will be done on Connect. So jumping right into Connect and learning how to use it is going to be important. Instructor contact information a little further down on the home page. My office on campus is B113. My email, which is the best way to get a hold of me, is Costell, Costell, at scc.losrios.edu. I put my office phone number here, but if I'm not sitting in my office, I won't pick up the phone, and it might be a number of days before I actually get a message. So I strongly suggest that you send me an email if you want to get a hold of me. Also, you can use the Canvas inbox to get a hold of me. That's a good tool to send me an email. Any email sent through Canvas inbox will show up in Canvas and also will come directly to my email account at the college. Student hours in my office are rather limited. There's only about 5 hours a week. However, I want you to know that I am available to students a lot more than these student hours in my office. I check my emails multiple times a day. I do check them over the weekend. I try very hard to get back to students within 24 hours to answer their questions or provide guidance. That might be a little slower over the weekends, but for the most part, you can hope to hear from me within 24 hours after sending me an email. So that's our class. And I want you to leave this little session knowing that the road to success is always under construction. The road to success in my life is always under construction. And a lot of that construction has to do with getting an education. So I look forward to the semester, and I look forward to hearing from you during the semester. Take care, study hard.